Hi everyone, I have a review for you tonight. We're going to go ahead and do Emmeline in the color SF1026. That is buttered toast. And this is Gayle from Paula Young, and she is in SF1228 honey. So I thought I'd put this on for a comparison. So let's take her out of the box. So she doesn't have any netting around her, she's just inside out. So we just have your standard basic cap, open wefting construction, and just your basic front. There are some little ear tabs, and we'll turn her inside out. Ooh, she looks pretty. Color comparison, the buttered toast is just a bit ashier than honey, as you can see. All right, let's put her on. All right, so fresh out of the box, let's see what we're working with. It's like I'm Farrah Fawcett. If I could wear that red bathing suit that she had in the poster that was on my brother's wall when I was growing up, yeah. That'd be cool. But no, that's not going to happen in this lifetime. Oh, she's pretty. Anyhow, I'm going to do the 360 spin just so we can see what we're working with. So you can see her curl pattern. Oh, she's cute. So she's a cute length. A little longer and fuller than Reese. Right side, my right side. She's probably not going to require that much work. For permatease, she does have permatease. And she has permatease basically the whole whoop. Some people, like me, you know, they want to live vicariously through their past 80s life, and they want the big hair. Yeah, she's cute. I'm going to do a few things because I know you guys like to see that, but I really don't think there's all that much that I have to do to her. She's just off the bat real cute, but we'll do a couple things. And then maybe I'll do a couple styles for you. All right, hang on. All right, so I'm just gonna mess her up a little bit and do some light spritzing with water. Just working with the style a little bit, combing out some of that permatease and the crisscross part. I'm adding a little bit of light brown tinted dry shampoo. At this time, I opted not to do the root spray, but before I wore her, blended colors like buttered toast and honey are pretty because it's like they already have highlights in them. And she's really pretty, you guys. She's easy. I mean, I feel like I don't want to let you down, but I didn't really have to do anything to her. There's always cute things that you can do. And for me, on my work days, most of the time I'll do sort of an up and a poof. And a lot of times when I do that, I will try to clip the clip into a weft, which helps hold it on. So we'll do another one there. This one I'll kind of twist it up, which is kind of how I had Gayle when you saw me with Gayle. So she goes behind the ear easily. But a lot of times what I'll do with my glasses is kind of go under, just above the ear tabs. I mean, it just looks like my glasses are in my hair like your glasses would be. So that's pretty much what I do during my work day. But yeah, she is cute. She is fun. I probably will wear her tomorrow. I kind of like this length and maybe sometimes a little bit shorter, but I've just kind of gravitated towards this length as I've been wearing hair. So she is really very pretty. So Emmeline, if you guys are looking for a mid-long style with pretty waves, it looks like you put in hot rollers. And remember, these curls do relax over time. So you can always relax them. If you want to brush them out, you could brush them out. If you want to spritz them with a little water and scrunch them up more, you can do that too. So Emmeline, I actually feel like she's prettier than the catalog picture even. It's a very pretty style. I might do a little root right there just because otherwise you can see the permatease there. But, all right, so I'm gonna do a bonus for you guys. You're gonna be so excited. I have to double check the color. I'm gonna review Mason, SF1228. So let's take Mason out of the box. So this is Mason, and this one is the honey color. And again, I'm wearing buttered toast and honey. They're so similar, I totally think that you can interchange them. I do it all the time, obviously. So she's just your basic cap, extended nape, small ear tabs, basic front. All right, so I'm gonna sign off here with Emmeline, and I'm gonna come back with Mason. Just give her a little brush, and then we'll do a 360. Mason is similar in length to Emmeline, so I think she would be a great sister style. So if you wanted to wear straight one day and curly the next, I don't think anybody would question you. So she has the Paula Young comes with that zigzag part, and the honey color is a highlighted color. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a few things with her. I think she may require just a little bit more work than Emmeline did, so be patient with me. So get in there and mess her up and start activating that permatease. Spritz up with a little bit of water, and I'm combing out that crisscross part. I also want to mention that she does have quite a amount of permatease on the top. That was some light brown tinted dry shampoo. Again, working on the permatease and the part, activating the permatease and trying to get her into a style. I did use my brown root spray for Mason to blend with my own natural hair. So if you guys love Ashley, I would definitely compare this to the longer version of Ashley. And I do love this color. I probably like honey better than buttered toast. She's easy. I just pull out my sides. And so you did see me do the root spray. So I root spray my sides and what little bit I have on top. And then those just kind of blend in together with the wig. And that's kind of my trick for making it look more natural. Oh, natural. So I do, and this is what I think I probably did this before with Mason. I'm like, I start playing with it. I'm like, I really do like this. She actually is really cute. It's a cute length. She's a good, if you're like me and you wear your wig for 10 hours at least for just your work day, that's not counting coming home if you wear it at home. So if you're like me, she's a good one for work. It's not too heavy. Her density actually feels nice. It is a cute cut. And I almost think it kind of gets cuter over time. And it's not so far out there that everybody's going to be like, oh my God, is she wearing a wig? You know, no. They're not going to think that. I mean, look at it. It doesn't look like it's, you know, Emmeline or Gayle, right? They might know with Emmeline, but I don't care. She's pretty. I'm kind of at that point now. I've been doing this since September, and I'm like, I really don't care. If you know, you know. I mean, they have to know, right? I change my styles every day. I wear a different one. So they have to know. All right. So she has a good length. She's cute. Again, you like Ashley, you're going to like Mason. If you like Ashley, get Mason. So I'm going to try a whole big half up. I think that's what I had at Christmas. I wore her. And my sister-in-law told me that my hair looked beautiful. And I was too shy and ashamed because I didn't want to say it in front of my brother-in-law, in front of my nephews that are adults, and have somebody say something. So I just said, oh, thank you. But eventually I'll probably get to that point where I'll just be like, oh yeah, I started wearing hair. It's just easier that way. It's more fun. And I don't have much to work with anymore. You know, just figure some easy way to say it and make it out that it's a positive. Yeah, I'm really having fun with it. I'm enjoying it. It's fun to have new styles, and I really don't have to do too much. The time that I just spent doing that, I wouldn't even have touched my bio hair. Oh, the topic, and they trying to clip in the extensions. And then for my sister's wedding, everybody went and got their hair done. I was so embarrassed. I'm like, oh, I'll do my own hair. So I sat in the hotel room for 2 hours and did topic, and I somehow got an extension to braid so that I could, and then I had extensions, and I had a whole side thing hanging down and all this, and tried to make it look good, and it did look cute in pictures. It did. But man, oh man, you know, I couldn't go and sort of be part of it because I was so ashamed, and I was so embarrassed. So there you have it. I gave you guys a twofer. What do you think? So Mason, Emmeline, tell me in the comments which ones you guys liked better, or if you agree with me, if you think this is a good sister for Emmeline. I guess you could kind of tell because Emmeline is longer, right? But you could probably get away with it. I'd do it. All right, you guys, thanks again for watching. I so much appreciate all of your support. If you've subscribed, thank you so much. If you haven't, maybe you want to consider doing that. Press that notification bell so that you're alerted when I upload new videos. I have a lot more in the works. Tomorrow is Colton's last day of school, so he is going to do some truck driving with his dad. So I won't have him as often, so I should have a little bit more time to devote to hair when I get off work. So thanks again for watching, you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye. So this is Emmeline. I reviewed her last night, and I will be editing the video footage and trying to get my video put together, and then we will hopefully get it posted today or tomorrow. So Emmeline SF 1026 Buttered Toast from Paula Young. It gives me the Farrah Fawcett vibe. She's got some big hair in there if you want her to be big. Happy Thursday. Happy Friday, everyone. I wanted to give you a view of Mason in the sunlight so that you can see her. Maybe if I go like this. This is an SF 1228 Honey, and Mason will be on the video. I reviewed her along with Emmeline. So stay tuned. I still need to finish editing it down, and hopefully by tomorrow. I know you guys want to see, but hopefully soon. So have a wonderful Friday, have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.